Alright, we're getting ready to take this bad boy out today. My parents rented this, so we're all getting a chance to take it. So we are taking it to the snorkel beach. So should be lots of fun. You guys all ready back there? Yeah, let's do this, right? Craig's getting all our stuff locked down back here. We, of course, have a lot of stuff coming with us there. So there you go. Trying to make sure we don't lose any of it on the way. Made it to the beach. Check out that water. Yeah, that's what we called it, the snorkeling beach.
Fish!
There's fish? Awesome! Check out this cool little pool. Oh, nice. Yeah, grab a goggles next to you. Can help you. Awesome, Cannon.
I'm going to throw you in.
Look at how pretty this is here. Oh, look at him too. Looking good.
Got it, buddy?
So cool. Carson, let me know when you're ready to jump in. Look at how beautiful it is. Alright, you gonna go in? Yeah, he's checking it out. He thinks he saw a snake in there. Ah!
I think it's just a step.
Okay. See anything?
I don't know, it's squiggly.
Oh, I don't know.
I'm scared, should I full water?
No, just come out then.
Oh, yeah.
Here he comes. So this place is really cool. You do have to rent like a 4x4 vehicle or have like a Jeep or something you take back here because the roads are, made for that. But it is gorgeous here, and it's a little after 3 o'clock, and we are the only ones on the beach, and it's a Saturday. And I love that about here, how it is just not that busy. Like no matter really where you go or how gorgeous it is like this, it's just not busy, which to me is awesome. But yeah, so this is called the Snorkel Beach, and it's a little bit outside of Los Barriles. So it is amazing. The snorkeling was okay. It wasn't anything too crazy because it's kind of rocks. It's not really like coral, but we still saw some good fish, and the kids had fun like diving for some sticks they were collecting and stuff like that. So definitely worth it. You can rent these 4x4 things for a few hours or days, and luckily for us, my parents rented it, so we all got a chance to take it out, and it was really cool. It was fun just taking that out too, and then amazing that we get to spend the time at this awesome snorkeling beach here. You see it all around there. Hey, Carson! Go out there exploring some more. Do a little bit more of a walk out here to check out this part of the beach. I love all these little pools that they have. So pretty. Oh, look at that stick. Holy cow. Nice. Let's see. Ooh, that's cool.
And then we got all these, we got 2 can of hot things and almost for knocks. It goes up like.
Oh, nice.
And then I got another thing I can put in them. And then we got these.
Oh yeah, like a slingshot.
And this one.
Oh yeah. Awesome.
We got flip it to their game.
That's a stick right there. So we parked the 4x4. Now we are on our way hiking through here to get to the waterfall. So here we go. Woo! Hey, you guys coming? You guys coming? Let's see. Did you find it? I think there's another one if you go up and over or something. Let's go see. Hold on, guys. Oh, that's cool. Look at that, that's awesome. I think there is a bigger one if you go up. Hold on, guys, hold on. Here we go. We're trying to make our way up the next level, but we're not exactly sure where the waterfall. It's pretty cool. We climbed up there a little ways, but couldn't see much else. Cannon, back up, bud. This guy likes to push it as far as he possibly can. No, we don't know how deep it gets there. Alright, we are going to make our way back to the 4x4. Alright, pay attention where you're walking still. Well, we didn't know what it was. We wanted to come check it out, bud.
Cool, huh?
Alright, we're doing some hula hooping and lazy days. Nice.